Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Click on Financial Management. Click on Payable. Go to Process. Click on Purchase Order. Click on Direct PO. Click on Create. Select Currency. Select Supplier. Select Branch. Select Shipment. Select Due on Receipt. Click on Add New. Select Item. Select Unit Type. Select Discount. Select VAT. Double-click on Advance Payments. Click on Save Purchase Order and then click on Save and